SAP Integration Suite is a cloud-native platform which facilitates integration of SAP and non-SAP systems across different environments, cloud and on-premise. It includes pre-built connectors and architecture and security features which simplify integrating systems and applications within a company's digital ecosystem. Our integration starter makes customers started using the SAP Integration Suite on the BTP. It does not matter if the customer formerly used PIPO, another non-SAP integration platform, or is completely new to integration platforms. We will help the customer to make the integration suite ready to use and implement first use cases. Typically, the first step is a scoping workshop to identify the use cases which should be implemented. This includes also needs like the systems which must be connected and the consumers and or the triggers of the developed integration artifacts. Optimally, we also draft the first integration flows during the workshop. After that, the setup of the integration suite subscription on the BTP takes place. This includes a short analysis of the account model to identify the sub-account in which the subscription will be created. After this, the relevant capabilities will be added in the integration suite, for example, cloud integration and API management. Further, additional BTP configurations are made. This includes role assignments to platform users, the setup of additional services like destinations or process integration runtime, but also trust configuration between sub-accounts. In parallel to the setup on the BTP, we start to concept the integration artifact development concerning questions like usage of prepackaged content, error handling, needed adapters, or tracing details which must be added to integration messages. As soon as those setup tasks are done, the development of the integration artifacts takes place. This includes reviews, tests, and optionally the transport to a test system for which a second tenant could be used. End-to-end tests with all involved systems are also possible. After successful tests, the implementations are handed over, including a detailed documentation of all developed artifacts. After the project, the customer will have a stable grounding to implement future integration scenarios such that they are reusable and maintainable. We do not only implement integration artifacts, instead we set up the integration suite such that it perfectly fits into the overall BTP strategy. In several projects, we use the document information extraction service on the BTP to extract data out of PDF documents. The question then is, what happens with those data? Or more drastically, the data extraction is useless when they are not sent into the correct backend systems, for example an S/4HANA instance. Then, the integration suite comes into play when connecting those systems, validating and mapping the data and sending them to the backend systems. In the end, the extracted data are at the places where they are needed.